Alright, C4 transmission, Ford. First you gotta clean it. So I cleaned the front bell housing a bit. That will be further cleaned after I'm going to take it apart. So first step is take the bell housing off and take the yoke off the back side. That's it. Let's go. Oh, here we go. Oh, hey, that was good. Oh, quick fingers, huh? Oh, there we go. Done. There it is. You can see how dirty it is on the back side, the bottom of it. So, looks pretty good. Of course, it's going to rain today. So, there you go. There's the front. Let's go look at the tail shaft. Whoa, we need a big spindle nut for that bitch. Let's go see what we got. Got to use the big tool, and I believe that's gonna be a 1 inch or an 1 1/8. This is 1 1/4 inch. So let's see. Yep, gonna be the 1 1/8. Check this out. Where's this one? That's the 1 inch. Oh, we have to dig into the other sockets. Holy hell, look at the rain. What's that? Okay, we're going to get the other socket. Oh, and there you go. 1 1/8. Wow, look at that. And there you go. Could be an 1 1/16 though. That's weird. Holy shit. Look at the freaking rain on that. Wow. Look at this shit. Just what I didn't need to see rain. I think we're gonna switch guns here. This is insane. Wow.